Really? Yeah! That's not how it's supposed to happen. I'm sorry about this. We have a technical fault that means at the moment we cannot continue with the new Millennium 2000 due to the problem of Y2K bug from the British Broadcasting Company. But don't worry, we will doing what we fix the problem. And hopefully we'll be back with the New Year's Millennium as soon as we can. But for right now, here's some music. Well, again, our apologies for the loss of the live at the new Millennium 2000 at the British Broadcasting Company. Hopefully we return to our live at the new Millennium 2000 here on RaiTheFranceFan2K25 network as soon as we can. You're watching RaiTheFranceFan2K25 network. Up to you, Mr. Johnny Sipey.
We regret to inform you that the playout facilities at BBC Television Centre have failed as a result of a global phenomenon, widely known as the Y2K bug. Just when the clock struck midnight as the UK welcomed 2000, eyewitnesses near the London Eye reported that the fireworks weren't working as normal and that the power had also been completely lost around the South Bank. It is also thought that mobile phone and telephone services are also down due to this extraordinary event, with numerous NHS and other emergency lines suffering major technical problems, in addition to services provided by Orange, Vodafone, and BT. The Y2K bug has also affected many television services, specifically all BBC television channels, apart from BBC News 24, which is broadcasting from Westminster on its backup generator. We urge the public to stay calm and collected during these testing times. If you're within the area surrounding the London Eye or the South Bank, police will lead you to safety. Please remain calm and follow their orders. Please also take additional care while doing this, as all lighting equipment has been knocked out. Please do not attempt to use any telephone or mobile phone services, as these are currently down and could be significantly overloaded if this warning is ignored. Additionally, most television services across the UK have suffered technical blackouts, including the BBC, as BBC Two, BBC Choice, and BBC Knowledge are currently off air. Only BBC One and BBC News 24 are broadcasting on a backup generator in Westminster, the latter of which we are now handing over to, as the news team will try to bring you the latest information on this extraordinary event. Please stay safe and calm, and cooperate with the authorities when you're told to do so.
Now we are bringing back the New Year's Millennium 2000 program at the BBC Television Centre in London.